Ordering the terms of algebraic expressions. In order to have a better understanding of an algebraic expression, it is better to have it expressed from the highest to the lowest term. The highest term of an expression is determined by the variable with the highest power. If two terms have the same power degree, we order them according the alphabet. For example, the final expression of the previous lesson is normally written as the following shown on screen. Example. Write the following algebraic expressions in the correct way. A. 2 minus 5y squared plus 3x plus 6x squared minus 4x plus y squared minus 2x squared. B. 5x squared y minus 4y squared plus 2x minus 3y minus 6y squared minus 2x plus 3x squared y. Solution. A. We have four different sets of like terms in this expression, terms that involve x squared, y squared, x, and numbers. Completing operations, addition and subtraction, with the like terms, we have the following shown on screen. B. We have five different sets of like terms in this expression, terms that involve y squared, x, y, x squared, y and numbers. Completing operations, addition and subtraction, with the like terms, we have the following shown on screen. As you see, the terms involving the variable x cancel out as they have opposite coefficients, 2 and minus 2, so they give 0 when added. Remark. It is more appropriate to write an algebraic expression containing two variables x and y in a way that the power of the first variable, x, decreases when moving from left to right, while the power of the second variable y increases when moving from left to right. As for the constant, it is written at the end of the algebraic expression, after you have finished with all variables. For example, the final form of the first expression in the previous example is written as the following shown on screen. And the final form of the second expression is written as the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 6.1.5. To continue this tutorial, please watch 6.1.6, multiplying and dividing terms of an algebraic expression. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.